Hey, hello everybody. Brian back here with another Pepe update. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you're at. I'm on the East Coast in America, and it is absolutely beautiful out. A little humid today, but other than that, a really nice day. So let's dig into this Pepe chart. You can see here this thing was forming that bull flag. The last video we did, we talked about that. We talked about some weakness in the chart there too. It did have a fake out to the bottom here, okay, and this thing ripped right back up through. Another does this is a very common move for these wedges. You'll get fake outs. Right up here it had a fake breakout, broke back down in the pattern. Alright, here you had a fake breakdown, catches traders off guard. You go short as soon as you see the break of that trend. Then it comes down here and then it rips right back up the other side and stops you out. So very common thing to happen. But we're on the 1 hour chart here. You can see this thing looks like it's wanting to break out the other side now. Okay, it has regained that. If we zoom in here, even on the 30-minute, you can see we're just on the outside of that wedge now. Okay, so let's see, we got the 30-minute RSI on the floor, which is good to see. We got the 1 hour coming down. The 4 hour is still heading up, but starting to hook a little bit there. Okay, so it could be showing a little bit of weakness there. We got a 4 hour red candle too on that thing. The 8 hour RSI is just heading up. The 12 hours just heading up. And wow, it looks and it looks like the daily, if you zoom in on that, you see how that thing is starting to hook back up. So looks like this thing could be breaking up. All right, nothing's guaranteed obviously, but the RSIs are pointing obviously to some strength here. Okay, that would back this bull flag up, and this would back a 5-wave move up. All right, if we put a trend based fib on here, if this is a wave 1. Alright, let's try that again. Let's zoom that out a little bit on a 4 hour. Let's see what this is telling us here. Alright, if the trend based fib is going to give us any kind of measurement here. There we go. Alright, it says it still has a little bit of room up here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5th wave, if it comes in according to this, would be up at what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1933. Okay, so we'll just have to keep an eye on that. The very important area to watch, okay, is that 5 zeros, 1482. All right, mark that down if you're watching this, because if it breaks down from there, then this thing is coming down. Okay, let's zoom in here a little bit on a 4 hour. We do have a red candle, but you can see what I'm talking about here. Alright, if I put a line on that 1480 right through there, that's going to be right with our support area through here. So keep an eye on that level. You don't want to lose that 1480, 1479, 1480. Okay, really we don't want to lose anywhere where we're at right now. You want to see it hold that, because it's just right on the edge of breaking out of this wedge. Now the RSIs are pointing to some strength in this thing, so obviously you'll have to keep an eye on those. But looking for any divergence here in the chart. Let's look on the daily here. As far as the highs, no bearish divergence I see. So just looking through real quick on the hourly. That high, that low. No, things are. It looks good. I don't see any bearish divergence or hidden divergence or anything here. So just keep an eye on that 1480 area. If we lose that, this thing's probably coming down. So we hold that, and this thing starts breaking up, then watch for a pretty decent breakout of this thing. Measured move on this, just the width of the wedge. If we take this, let's get a measurement here of this thing. Let's clean that up. Let's get rid of that bull flag. Alright, let's get a measurement on this wedge. Let's put it on a 4 hour. There we go. And get a measurement. A breakout will give us a target. Put that right on top here. Right up to about the top of the wedge. 5 zeros, 1848. Okay, so if we get a breakout, pretty decent gain there, that would be, from where we're at, 22%, so not a bad move. We get to break up, we get to break down, you're looking at the same. Okay, so definitely keep an eye on that. Like I said, that 1480 level, we get to break down, this thing could come down to 1154, which is the same amount down. Obviously, you're looking at 22% down. So yeah, so keep an eye on that. Very pivotal area to watch, guys, especially if you're in leverage. Watch that area. So all right, guys, thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.